How to use a touchpad on your Samsung device. This tutorial shows you how to enable and use a cursor pointer through the accessibility settings on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From there, tap on Interaction and Dexterity to open the interaction settings. At this point, scroll down and find the Assistant menu option and tap on it. In the next step, toggle on the Assistant menu switch to enable it. Following this, you'll notice a floating Assistant menu button appear on the side of your screen. Once done, tap on the floating button to open the Assistant menu controls. From here, swipe left or right through the menu options to browse through all the available controls. At this stage, look for the cursor option as you swipe through. After this, tap on Cursor to activate the pointer on your screen. Once completed, a cursor pointer will appear on your screen that you can move around just like a touchpad on a laptop. Finally, use the on-screen controls to click, scroll, and navigate through your device using the cursor as if you were using a regular touchpad. And that's it! If this Samsung guide helped you navigate your device using a cursor, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.